Hey everybody, Cindy Outer here with my Artsy Endeavours. How are you doing today? I'm doing pretty good. I'm going to play in this journal. This is an old book that I had on my shelf. You can tell here. And, pardon me, I just decided to sew in 2 signatures. Just odd and end papers. A little bit of fabric here and there, that kind of stuff. This is just a plastic sheet, which I love. But anyways, I'm going to play around this book. This is something I made recently. This is a denim sticker paper that, oh gosh, I've had this for years and years and years that I covered the book with. It's not perfect, but it's mine. It's a journal. So I decided I'm going to play around this journal today. I've only done one thing in here, and it was that. Everything else is blank. So I decided I'm going to play around in here today, and I figured I'd bring you guys along, and I hope you enjoy. We'll chat at the end. Alright, so I just played around with both of my journals, just having fun with them. This one here, I did this page. I used one of these. It's an embossed piece of paper that I've had. I probably embossed it 10 years ago. So I used that. Like I said, I haven't done anything more in here other than this one, which was a while ago. And then while this one was drying, I decided to pull out this journal. This journal has a little bit of everything in it. Everything from cards that I've made, and oh, there's a pocket, another pocket. Cards that I've made and that kind of stuff. But so I made this tag to go in it, and I have this tag that's already been made, and this little kitty cat here I just put on, and then I used him as a little pocket. This is just a card I've used. See, these are fronts of cards a friend might have sent me or whatever. And same here, that's a front of a card. And then I saw this little book in here and I thought, ooh, I gotta make a little journal out of it. So I did. This is a piece of a fan. I think I got it like the Dollar Tree years ago. And I saw it was in this pile actually, and I was like, let's put that there. So something different. Just having fun playing around. I hope you guys have enjoyed, and I'll be back again with more journal play. We'll talk to you soon. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Talk to you soon. Bye.